going to study about the twisting couple on the cylinder. So we are having here one cylinder of radius r. Now this cylinder we want to twist it. Means we are applying the force and producing the twist in the cylinder. So if a point is at A, it get displaced to A dash. And if a point is at B, it get displaced to B dash. So this figure shows the upper surface of the cylinder. ये क्या मतलब है? Upper surface of the cylinder. Now in the complete cylinder, we can say that the point A gets shifted to A dash with respect to point M. So this phi here is the angle of twist, L is the length of the cylinder. Here in this upper surface, for our study, we will consider a small strip of area dx, of thickness dx. Thickness of this strip is dx. The radius of this inner sphere is x and the radius of the outer strip is x plus dx. So the angle between AO and A dash is theta. Now from these two figures, we can calculate the value of theta and we can calculate the value of phi. We know that the angle is equal to arc upon radius. In this figure, arc upon A dash upon x. Arc is A dash upon x is the radius. So angle theta is equal to A dash upon x in this figure, and therefore I am calculating here the value of A dash as theta into x. Okay, it is equation number 1. Now from this figure 3, I will calculate the value of A dash as angle phi is equal to A dash, that is arc upon radius is L. So A dash upon AM or phi is equal to A dash upon L. From here also I will find the value of A dash, and it is A dash is equal to phi into L. From these two equations 1 and 2, I can say that both are the values of A dash. Therefore theta into x is equal to phi into L. From here I will calculate the value of phi as theta x upon L. Okay, this is the one thing. Another thing is that we want to calculate the modulus of rigidity, and from modulus of rigidity we want to find the force. Modulus of rigidity is shearing stress upon shearing strain, shearing stress upon shearing strain. So to calculate the shearing strain, I will write the formula here: lateral displacement of any layer divided by its distance from the fixed layer. That is, in this figure, lateral displacement is A dash and AM is fixed layer. So if I say that it is a opposite side upon the adjacent side, and it is equal to tan of phi. If phi is very small, then tan phi is phi. Therefore I calculated here the shearing strain as phi. Okay. Now I want to calculate the shearing stress. Shearing stress means force per unit area. And the area can be calculated as the area of the outer layer minus area of the inner layer. Means area of outer layer of radius x plus dx and area of inner layer of radius x. So I will write here pi x plus dx square minus pi x square. It will give you the area of this strip dx. So if I expand it, then I will get this one, and pi x square get cancelled here, and then I am neglecting here the term with dx square, because dx is already small and smaller of the smaller quantity is again smaller. So dx square term is neglected. So area of that strip is 2 pi x dx. Now I will calculate here the shearing stress as F upon A. That is equal to F upon 2 pi x dx. Area is calculated as 2 pi x dx. Therefore the shearing stress, that is modulus of rigidity, is shearing stress upon shearing strain. I already calculated shearing strain. Then shearing stress is F upon area is 2 pi x dx upon shearing strain is phi. So I will write here F upon 2 pi x dx is into phi as eta. From here f is equal to eta into 2 pi x dx into phi. This is the value of f. Now I will substitute the value of phi from the initial calculations as theta x by L. This is the force acting on the cylinder. Now the couple is forced into the perpendicular distance, that is f into x, a small couple, a small value of the couple. So it will become eta into 2 pi x cube dx, because there are x into x into x, 3x, so x cube dx into theta by L. Now I will integrate it to find the total couple, total twist. Means this is for a small strip of area d of thickness dx. Such type of strips will be there from center of the cylinder to the last periphery, that is the radius. So I will integrate it. All the things are constant, only x is variable. Integration of x cube is x is to 4 by 4, limit is from 0 to r. Therefore the twist is torque is equal to eta pi theta r raised to 4 upon 2L. Okay, thank you.